Hi everyone, welcome to today's vlog, which is making notepads. This video is perfect for you if you're looking for a fun DIY project to make at home. I'm showing you how you can make a simple but cute notepad. I think it is a perfect handmade gift for your friends or for your colleagues. It is honestly just a fun project at home. They are super easy to make. You can use it at school. It is also perfect for journaling, and yeah, as I've said, it is a perfect gift for friends or for anyone. In my case, I've given some to my friends and they really loved it, and I've also given some to my teachers. And you know, as a teacher, you always need a notepad to take memos, so they were really happy to get the cute and simple notepads that I gave them. So let me just quickly show you or tell you why making notepads at home is such a great idea. First, it is very creative, at least for me. I really like making stuff at home. I like DIY projects. I like giving it to friends or colleagues, and it really makes me happy that they are happy. It makes me happy to see them happy. And the good thing about this is you can make custom notepads. You can put names. It is also a good birthday gift to anyone. You can customize the size. I can show you a sample of a 3x3 notepad, 3x4, and today I'm making a 5. You can also make to-do lists. For me, it's really helpful when I write down my task for the day. It makes me more productive. So I really recommend trying it at home. Also, I'm back in the second floor of the house. It is still hot, but it is bearable. Last August, it was really unbearable, so I moved my computer downstairs and I was working there for the whole month. But I am back in my office and I am very glad to be back. It makes me really more productive when I have my own room. I can focus on the things that I have to do and the things that should be done. Welcome to Blue Notes. Welcome to my channel. My name is Ali. I'm living in Japan and I'm running a small business here. I started my stationery in February, and this channel is showing you behind the scenes of how we make our products and behind the scenes of growing my business. I've also recently uploaded lifestyle vlogs. I'm also showing you a lot of life here in Japan. Recently, I've been sublimating tumblers though. I've expanded my business to making glass cups and mug cups. So please check my online shop if you're interested. You can check the products that I make and sell. So I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope you learned something from it. I hope it will bring you joy, and I just hope that it will help you in a way. Yeah, let's get started. So here's what you'll need to make notepads. You can buy these on Amazon and I will also link them in the description below. But please note that I'm currently living in Japan, so my Amazon is Amazon Asia. So you need a paper. This one you can buy this anywhere. I got this one from Kinds, or I think you can also buy any paper from Amazon, but just take note that the paper thickness is 80 GSM. You can use any paper. You can use like journaling paper, but in my case I printed this design. So if you want to print, you will also need a printer. So at the back of the notepad, you need a cardstock for the backing. This will be put at the back of the notepad. You need some scissors or cutter and a ruler to cut the paper, and you also need a glue and a press, a book press, but in my case I use clamps. So I think this is a woodwork clamp, and you can search it on Amazon, woodwork clamp, or you can just use clips. You also need like a brush, something like this. This is a bit thick. I haven't used this one yet, and this is very small. I have one more brush that I use. Okay, so first you gotta decide the size of a notepad. For me, I make 3 sizes. This is the 3x3. This is the 3x3. I also like 3x4. And you can even make like A5 size, which is the size that I'm making today. So here is a sample. So this is the cardstock that you put it at the back of the notepad. So here's how you can make your design on Canva. You can use the free version account. It's totally fine. I have the paid version because I use it for my business, but the free account is totally okay. So you just search for notepads templates on the search bar, and this is what I chose for today's video. I really like the color. I like yellow, and you can change it to your liking. You can change the transparency. I like it to be thin like that so I can write easily on the paper. So you can also change the colors. These are my brand kit color that I use for my business, but you can use any color that you like. And then if you're done, you can download it to PNG. I'll make another one because in today's video I am making A5 size. So just go to the design on the left side of Canva. I really like this one. Since our wedding, I learned to love blue so much, and everything in my room right now is blue, and you can change the font. You can also change the color like what I did. And then when you're done, you download it to PNG. So PNG is the best for illustrations like this, and JPEG is best for sharing. So since I don't want to waste paper, I'm printing the designs to A4 paper. So I wanted to upload it on Canva and then lay out it on A4 paper again. I can print 2 A5 notepad designs in one paper. And then if you're done, download it to PDF print, best for printing. I like to flatten the PDF and choose the setting for best printing. And so here is the design. It is ready to print. So here is the design that I made. I'm just going to use this personally, or maybe give it to a friend or a teacher, because I can't really sell this because it is from Canva. It's okay for personal use, but you're not allowed to sell it. You have to like design your notepads from scratch to be able to sell it. So let's cut this paper. I use a ream cutter. I got this one from Amazon as well. If you've seen my first video on YouTube, I show the tools that I use for my business, and this is one of the investments that I got. But if you don't have it, no worries. You can always like cut the paper using a cutter or scissors. I forgot to put this one. it's finished. So this is a tricky part of making notepads. I always take my time to do this part because I want the notepads to be aligned. I want all the paper to be aligned. So the next step is to apply the glue. Try and apply it as evenly as possible. For me, I try to apply it 3 times, 3 layers, because if you overdo it, if you put a lot of glue, it's not really the best result. After applying the glue, you can leave it for about 3 to 4 hours, but in my case, it's weekdays, so I leave it overnight and check it the next day. Okay, so this is the day. This is the day after, and I already removed the clumps in here. Let's just cut this. So that's it. That's how you can make notepads at home. These are the notepads that I finished, that I made. I'm so excited to use them. I want to use this yellow one here. No, I want to use the blue one because it suits my branding, Blue Notes, and I'm gonna use this one in school during meetings as well, because we have meetings every month, and I'm gonna use it to take notes, maybe make lesson plans with it. So yeah, I'm so happy with the result, and I hope you can make your own too at home. It is really a good notepad for personal use and for gifts. I hope you enjoyed this video, and don't forget to subscribe and like this video if it helped you in any way. And if you want, you can subscribe to my channel. I plan to make more DIY and tutorials like this. So thank you so much for being here, and I'll see you next time. Bye.